Hey, what is up to this video? Welcome once again yet again to another software engineering concept in Python playlist right here on IO General. In this video we are going to look at what is Django ORM. So Django ORM, which is object relational mapping, enables developers to interact with databases using Python instead of SQL, and it actually maps database tables to Python classes and roles to objects, creating an intuitive abstraction layer. This approach actually lets developers focus on application logic rather than database operations, supporting MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and Oracle. So here are some key benefits of Django object relational mapping. It has SQL free development, where the code with Python objects you code with Python objects instead of SQL queries for cleaner, more maintainable applications. Another benefit or feature is accelerated development, where there is increased productivity through automated database operations and simplified data access. We also have database flexibility with which is also another key benefit or feature of Django ORM, where we switch database backwards seamlessly without modifying the application code. Another key benefit of Django ORM is automatic schema management, where there is generation and update database tables from actually Python models, maintaining data code synchronizations. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, just do post it in the comment section. We will assist you.